New Sony BRAVIA X or X80L LED TV. Main features are direct LED backlight, 4K HDR processor X1, 4K X Reality Pro, Triluminous Pro. ITO formats are Dolby Vision, HLG and HDR10. Net refresh rate 60Hz, HDMI 2.1 compatible. Dolby Atmos, X balance speakers, ambient optimization technology, minimalist design with flush surface, adjustable support in 2 position, Google TV, compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, Apple AirPlay 2, HomeKit. Bravia came compatible accessory and ambient optimization. Available in 43, 50, 55, 65, 75 and 85 inches.